I enjoy gardening on my balcony, but when space is small and limited to light, it hasn't been easy to have a green thumb. Instead of continuing to wither cute plants, let me show you how Copilot helped me get much better results. I'm Christine from Microsoft. Let's jump in. To give me useful ideas, Copilot needs real details. Try not being vague wherever you can in your prompts. I open the Copilot app and type, I have a small balcony that's 8 foot by 10 foot and gets morning sun, then afternoon shade in San Diego. My railing is along the 10-foot length of the balcony. What types of plants grow well in these conditions? Because I included specific sizing, conditions, and location, Copilot responds with recommendations that make sense for my space. Now that I have a better idea for the plants I want and can keep alive, I want to see how everything visually fits together. I prompt Copilot with, generate an image of a top-down rendering of my balcony layout. Include thyme, sage, geraniums, and 2 chairs with a small table. Copilot creates a nice visualization of how my space would turn out with these decisions. Now that I can envision my space, I'm excited to get this project going. So I ask, create a shopping list for my new balcony garden, including plants, type of dirt, pot sizes, and quantities, and plant care items. In seconds, I have a detailed shopping list table with everything I need to know to help these new plants stay alive. No missed details and tailored specifically to my vision. And that's it. By giving Copilot clear context, I went from I think I know what I want on my balcony to I know exactly what to buy. If you found this helpful, join us in the next video for more ways Copilot can turn problems into progress.